Welcome to Mel Bear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you how to make this very cool drippy peppermint Christmas tumbler, and this has been one of my favorite projects I've made in a while. Again, I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. So today we are going to make a candy-inspired lava lamp tumbler, and for this project we're going to need our hollowed wall tumbler, and I have already drilled this one out. We're going to need baby oil. We're going to need vegetable glycerin. You're going to need what I'm using, it's Candy Colors by Wilton. It's an oil-based dye. I've got this in green. You can use any oil-based dye, but it has to be oil-based, not water-based, or this won't work. And then you just need regular red food coloring. And I'm just using normal Clubhouse food coloring in red. You're also going to need, this is also by Wilton, it's white icing color. And this is actually a water-based white coloring, and you can use it for anything water-based. So we're going to get started here. What we're going to do is measure out 30 mils of the vegetable glycerin. And then we're going to add our white icing dye to that. And then we're going to add some red food coloring. I'm going to add 1 drop and see what color that turns. And I want this to be pink, so the 1 drop may be enough. It looks like it will be enough. So just 1 drop of red food coloring for the 30 mils of vegetable glycerin. Okay, and I'm going to put that to the side, and then we're going to get a little container here, and we're going to put some of the green icing dye into here, the Candy Colors. And you don't need too much. I really would prefer this in a squeeze container, but they don't come like that. I do have some other ones coming. We'll have lots of fun with those. And then we're going to fill this up with baby oil and mix it up, see what color we've got, and see if we need to add some more. Probably going to have to add some more baby oil to this. I don't think I've got enough in there. Let's give that a shake. And look at that. You've got dyed baby oil in green. I'm going to add some more of this off camera, and then I'll be back. So we're going to add our glycerin and icing dye mixture to our tumbler. So I'm going to put it into a, whoops, try not to drop that. I'm going to put this into one of my squeeze bottles. It's just way easier to try to put in there. I'll probably give that a couple more little shakes there to mix up the rest of that red dye. And we're going to add the glycerin mixture to the cup first. And then we're going to add our green baby oil mixture. Alright, so our tumbler's full of both liquids now, and we're going to wipe the top off with alcohol, and then we're going to seal that up. So I've got my glue dot already on there, and then we're just going to use our UV resin and seal it. And then seal it with the, or then use the UV light to finish it off. Here is our finished tumbler. I think that turned out pretty cool. I feel like this is missing something, so I think I'm gonna add some little clay glitter that I have, little clay chunks, and I think that'll make it look a little bit more festive, because right now it looks cool, but it doesn't really Christmas pop to me. So I'm gonna add this peppermint glitter, which has little peppermint wheels in it and just other little glitter chunks. So I'm going to add some of that to this tumbler. I've already taken the seal off the tumbler, and then I'm just going to add some and poke them in. Even though the tumbler has liquid in it, I don't think it's going to matter. We may lose a little bit of the liquid just from displacement, but that doesn't matter. We can just get a paper towel and mop it up. So I'm going to add a little more than what's on the top here. I just didn't want to fight with the oil that's coming out of this. But I'll add these and then I'll be back. So we've got all our clay chunks into the tumbler, and now we're just going to do the same thing again to seal it. Glue dot, UV resin, and UV light. Alright, and here is our finished tumbler with the glitter put into it. I'm not sure I'd really call that glitter. They're more like little clay chunks. I think that looks a lot more festive. I'm really in love with this new tumbler. I love the peppermint drips, and I love the little peppermint clay pieces. I hope you can make your own version of this, and I hope you enjoy it. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. It really does help my little channel grow. And thanks again for watching.